Welcome to DIY RV and Home Camper's Life. My name's Greg. Exciting stuff. We're going to start doing a little bit of renovations inside of our trailer. And first thing that we're doing is dinette. It's got to come out. We got some ideas what we're going to do with the area, but first we got to get it all cleared out and out of the way. So that is a project for today. Stick around and see how we get it out. Got the area cleaned up. So now start getting it out. Of course, we know how easy it is to get the tables out of here. One side done, now it's on to the next. Yeah, you're looking at the mess of the countertop right there, but as we pan around, yeah, I still got to clean the floor up. I've got a project going on here. I'm going to not repair, but clean up the plumbing underneath here and wiring. That's why jackknife's out, but look at this. Oh, got part of the wheel well right there that we got to cover up. No big deal. You know, a couple holes in the floor and the wall, but a lot of that being covered up with what we're going to do over here. So let me finish cleaning this up real quick and I'll come right back. Alright, got her swept up. Gonna have to do a little mopping, and I noticed right over here in the corner I had some dust. So I gotta check and make sure my seal on my trailer is good right outside here on the floor. Look like maybe dust kicking up. Other than that, oh wow. That is an awful lot of room. I know we did lose some storage, and part of our upgrade is gonna include some storage, so I don't want to give up exactly what we're gonna do just yet. But just know that there's going to be storage, there's going to be eating, there's going to be relaxing, everything. As you can see, getting a little sweaty here now. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe and share. And until the next one, happy camping.